10th sum, if f comma g r tends to r, the function f and function g are both are real numbers only, domain and codomain, where f of x is equal to modulus of x plus x, f of x is equal to modulus of x plus x. Next they given g of x is equal to modulus of x minus x. G of x is equal to modulus of x minus x. In introduction part we have learned this modulus of x we can write in two ways. When x is less than 0, when x is greater or equal to 0. When x is less than 0, modulus of x we can write as minus x. Here already plus x is present here, write plus x. When x is greater or equal to 0, this modulus of x we can write as plus x. Already plus x present here, so write as plus x. Minus x plus x 0, x plus x is 2x, x plus x is 2x. The same part we can do here also. When x is less than 0, when x is greater or equal to 0, this modulus of x we can write as minus x. When x is less than 0, here already minus x present here, so put minus x. When x is greater or equal to 0, this modulus of x we can write as plus x. Here minus x is present here, minus x is minus 2x, x minus x is 0. So now we can write f of x. What is f of x? F of x is nothing but 0 and 2x, 0 and 2x. When 0 is applicable, when x is less than 0, 2x is applicable when x is greater or equal to 0. Next, g of x. G of x nothing but it has two values. The first value is minus 2x, the second value is 0. This is applicable when x is less than 0. This is applicable when x is greater or equal to 0. When x is greater or equal to 0. So using this I need to find g composite f and f composite g. First I am going to find g composite f. To find g composite f, for g composite f we have case two conditions, nothing but case 1. What is case 1? When x is less than 0, when x is less than 0 is case 1. G composite f is nothing but g of f of x, g of f of x, g, open the bracket. What is f of x when x is less than 0? X is less than 0, this is x is less than 0, f of x is equal to 0, f of x is equal to 0, I applied 0. So g of 0, where is g of 0? G of 0 here, g of 0, this is x is less than 0. Listen nicely, this is x is less than 0. So here g of 0, the g of 0 means see here, this 0 is present here, this not present, this is present here. This g of 0 is present here. What is the function value? This one, g of x is 0, so I can write a state value 0, because g of x we can write now g of x, where x is 0 here. Where the x is 0 here? This is x is 0, this x is less than 0, no, 0. What is the function value g of x? G of x is equal to 0, so I can write straightly as 0. Next, case 2, when x is greater or equal to 0, I can write when x is greater or equal to 0. I need to find g composite f, g of f of x, is equal to g. When x is greater or equal to 0, what is f of x? When x is greater than 0, f of x nothing but 2x, g of 2x. Where is present here 2x? 2x is nothing but same only. This 2x is greater than 0. Where is this is greater than 0? 2x, this 2x present here, the 2x will be present here only. What is the function value? Straight value 0, so I can put straightly 0. 0 means 0 is present here, I can put g of x equals 0. 2x, where is 2x present here or here? Surely 2x present going to be here only, 2x present here only, because 2x is plus 1 positive value, 2x is positive value is present here only. What is the answer here? 0. Next, to find f composite g, therefore case 1, it also two cases. One is case 1, when x is less than 0, f composite g we can write as f of g of x, is equal to f of g of x. When x is less than 0, what is g of x? Is minus 2x. This is very important line you need to learn. See very carefully, this minus 2x, I will write here, minus 2x is positive or negative, we need to find. Minus 2x is positive or negative, we need to find. Why need to find? Because this is less than 0. What is this? Is less than 0. Less than 0 means we have only negative values. Listen very carefully. Less than 0 means we have only negative values. Already here minus 2x present here. I am applying this minus 2 is present here. X is also negative. X is also negative. Negative minus negative is nothing but positive. So minus 2x is positive value. It's very important. I am telling once again, listen carefully. I will write here also, no problem. Very listen. I want to choose this minus 2x is negative or positive value. I want to choose this negative or positive value. How I am going to choose? Listen very carefully. How I am going to choose means this is x is less than 0. X is less than 0 means x contains only negative value. X is less than 0 means x contains only negative value. If x is negative, if I going to put negative value in x, if we going to put negative value, here already negative, here already negative, then negative will negative becomes positive. So 2x is positive value. 2x is positive value. Therefore, since this is positive, f is greater than 0. You can able to understand f is greater than 0. Here x is greater, this value I need to take. Fx greater than this value I can. What is the value? F of x is equal to 2x. So write 2 in place of x. I need to apply this one. 2 into minus 2x is nothing but minus 4x. Nothing but minus 2 into 2 minus 4x. Next, G composite F. Sorry. F case 2. What is case 2? Case 2 is nothing but F composite G, the same only, but x is greater or equal to 0. F of g of x. F of g of x. F. Open the bracket. G of x. When x is greater or equal to 0, when x is greater than 0, what is g of x? G of x nothing but 0. G of x nothing but 0. F of 0. Where the f of 0 is present here? Here f of 0 is present here. What is the value here? 2x. How I can write 2 into? I can write 2 into 0. How? See here, f of 0. X is greater or equal to 0. If x is greater than 0, what I want to take? This value I need to take. This value. This one, what is function here? 2x. So 2 in place of x, what is present here? 0. 2 into 0 is nothing but 0. So this is our required value. This is our required value. But how I need to write? The writing process somewhat simple way. See, we have only one answer for G composite F, 0 and 0. So G composite of F is nothing but 0. We can write straightly. But F composite G, we have different values. F composite G is equal to, what is the first value? Minus 4x. What is second value? 0. This will present when x is less than 0. This will present when x is greater or equal to 0. This is our required answer for this sum. But students, in textbook the answer is somewhat different way, but this is the correct answer. So this is the important thing I need to teach you. This all will be 0, 0, no problem. This will become minus 4x. This is written in the back answer as 0, but not 0. This is minus x. From this we finish the sum. Thank you.